Hey everyone, I'm Jason. I'm going to show you how to make air fryer spicy buffalo wings. It's really simple, and let's check it out. Okay, first we have our whole wings, and we're going to separate that out by the drumette and the wingette, just like that. Now that we have our chicken cut up, we're going to go ahead and lay this right on our air fryer pan here, and careful so they don't touch. Next, we're going to salt these on each side. Next, we're going to put these in the air fryer at 400 degrees for 10 minutes, and we're going to check them. Okay, in goes our wingies, top rack, air bake setting 400 degrees, and we're going to go 10 minutes and check them out. Alright, that's been 12 minutes. We're going to take those out and flip them over. Alright, as you see, they're starting to get crispy, and we're just going to flip these over, and we're going to put them in for an additional 12 minutes. It was 12 minutes first time, and we're going to do another 12. And as these are cooking, we're going to start our buffalo sauce in a saucepan right in the oven. So it's super simple, only a couple ingredients. Okay, let's take a look. Those are nice and golden brown. Let's check out how crispy those are. Those sound and look and smell amazing. So we're going to get our sauce going, and we're going to toss those in the sauce. Alright, now we're going to start our buffalo sauce. This is super easy. 1 stick of butter. We're going to turn that on medium low, and we're going to get that to melt. Alright, that's almost nice and melted. We're going to use Frank's Red Hot. So we're going to put about a cup of this in with the butter. I'm just going to add that right in. And we're going to stir that up. If you want to add a little more heat, you can certainly add some Tabasco. You could add some cayenne pepper seasoning. I think we're going to leave this as is though. And just let that simmer. Ooh, that smells delicious. You can't mistake Frank's Red Hot. That is the iconic buffalo wing sauce. And here's the recipe. By the way, all the ingredients in the recipe are in the description. Alright, I just had to show you guys what these look like. Put those in the oven just to make sure they stay warm. And here is the simmering Frank's Red Hot buffalo sauce. So we're going to get set up, and we're going to toss these and garnish them up a little bit. Alright, now it's time for the magic. We're going to take these beautiful wings and put them in our favorite wing tossing bowl. So there, they look delicious. And we're going to take just a little bit of our sauce. And now we're going to roll that around, toss them. Ooh, that smells good. Woo. We're going to add a little bit more. amazing, smell amazing. You can hear they're crunchy, crispy. All right, we're gonna garnish these up and make them look pretty, and then we'll be right back. All right, we're gonna add some crumbled blue cheese and some chopped green onion. Just because this is gonna offer just a nice little other kick. And I'm gonna put some blue cheese crumbles on. All right, that looks amazing. We're gonna dig in. Let's do a taste test.
Just do it.
No.
It'll just be really quick.
Please.
Mm-mm.
Is it good?
Okay, well, what did you just drop?
All right, we're gonna try this. Frank's buffalo hot sauce. We have some crumbled blue cheese and some green onion to garnish it. So grab one, boys. There you go. You can have that one. Cheers.
Mm-hmm.
Cheers.
No, I already dug in.
Cheers. Okay. Oh my.
Wow.
That's so good. Buffalo Wild Wings, no, don't stand a chance. This is amazing. You can make it in your air fryer. I don't know if it's healthy, but healthier than frying in oil. And I honestly can't really tell any difference. So thank you for watching. Try this out, it's easy. So thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, please. Bye.